I wonder what this $1,001 bill hunt will yield for us today. Hey everyone, it's Rob Finds Treasure. Welcome back to the channel. We have a $1,001 bill hunt for you guys today in our quest to find some more collectible US paper notes. Now, if you're new to my channel or new to bill searching or bill collecting, I have a ton of useful and resourceful links listed down below in the video description. Be sure to check them out to help you with your quest of finding collectible bills. Of course, if you like the mat that you see in front of me, you can pick this up on my website. I'll have that quick link right here. Feel free to check it out should you want one. Now, in front of me are 10 straps of 100 bills in each, and these are what are known as teller straps. Teller straps are the straps that the bank tellers put together from all of their customer deposits and their business deposits. And what they do is they run them through a machine, get 100 of them, strap them together to make counting their drawers out much easier. Typically, I like to order a 1,000 Federal Reserve brick, which is straight from the Federal Reserve. It hasn't been cherry-picked or looked through by any customers, businesses, or even bank tellers. So I like those first and foremost, but I have no problem searching teller straps, especially if it comes from a bank that I've hunted from before that the tellers don't even check. And this particular branch has been hot for me. He gets a lot of customer deposits and business deposits, and they love giving me $1,000 at a time because it cleans out their drawers. That being said, because it is 1,000 bills, we will be hunting each one of these straps off cameras, and I'll be giving you guys a strap recap at the end of every strap. Wish me luck. We're going to begin the hunt now, and hopefully we can find some collectible US paper notes. Well, we finished strap number one. No star notes in strap one. A couple of bills worth mentioning. Man, this was a close call. Had this note started with 540 instead of 054, it would have been a sweet looking radar note. It would have been 540-00045. Man, I still think I might keep it though, because it's kind of collectible. I don't know, man. It's only a trinary, and even though trinaries can be collectible, there's a lot of zeros on this one. I'm going to hold on to it. All right, second note up. Another kind of close call. It has 5 4s. You want 6 of a kind or better to make the bill worth money. It's in rough shape, but I do collect bills that start with 5 numbers in the beginning, end with 5 numbers, or have the middle numbers all be the same. And I think I'm going to keep this for my personal collection, despite it being in rough condition. Couple of kind of keepers, really just close calls, but I like close calls sometimes. First strap down, only a couple of side finds, nothing major yet. Come on, strap number 2. Strap number 2 has been hunted, and it was a great strap for star notes. We got 3 star notes in that strap, and as you guys know, we always plug in all of our star notes into the star note lookup site listed down below in the video description at the end of this hunt to see if we have any rare ones. 2 straps down, not a bad start. Let's see if strap 3 can give us some more goodies. Strap number 3 was another fun strap. We only got 1 star note this time, and it has the whole left side of it torn off. 2013 E-Series. It's in rough shape, but I'll keep it because it's still a star note regardless. We also almost had a repeater, 2688, 2668. Man, it's a nice trinary too, but it's got ink on it, creases all over, it's in bad condition. Still another close call. Couple of bills in the same strap I thought were kind of cool. They're both trinaries. I'm not keeping trinaries today, but we've got a lot of close call trinaries, and you can see that a lot of 5s, 7s, and 0s on this. Kind of looks cool, both of them, but not ones I would normally keep. I'm already keeping those, and we don't need to make a big stack up here. And then a couple of older notes. One was a series 1995, and you always want to check your 1995s, 88As and 93s for what's known as a web note. You want to see that printing plate number next to In God We Trust, not below. And if we flip this bad boy around, that printing plate number is below, and that's not a good one. We want to see it up there. But I'll still hold on to the series 1995. It's an older note, pre-2000, and this one's a 1999. I am saving these for one of my subscribers that asked for them, so I'll put those to the side as well. Really only 1 keeper note in there and a couple of older notes. Still is a fun strap. Let's see if strap 4 is equally as fun. Strap 4 was kind of a tough strap. We did have two notes to talk about. We got another series 1995 note. Of course, the printing plate is below 1, so it's not a web note. We'll still keep it because it's pre-2000. Yet another close call, holy cow. 8902, 8202. Needed that 2 to be a 9 or vice versa. It would have been a repeater. It has ink on it. I don't know what's going on with all the ink lately, but would have been a nice note had it not been for the ink. And yeah, just another close call though. Only one keeper being a 95 note. Hopefully strap 5 will keep some more. Strap number 5, just one find. Kind of a beat up star note. 2017A, and if I recall, for the F series, it needs to be above 16 million, and that's 15 million. So this might be a common one, but either way, we'll add it. That gives us 5 star notes through 5 straps now, halfway done with the hunt, halfway to the 10. Could use some more fancier, older ones. Let's see what's in store in the second half. Come on, strap number 6. Kick us off right. Strap number 6 was another fun strap. Got a couple of star notes, which I'll take. That now gives us 7 star notes through 6 straps. We're staying ahead of pace. We also got a bill I don't see too often. A 1993 bill. I usually find the 88As and the 95s, but haven't checked the 93 bill in a while for a web note. It is not. Printing plates below 1 instead of above, but still kind of a cool find. Don't see those too often. And then just a couple of cool trinaries overall, not keeping them. Had that 7 at the end of the serial number been a 2, would have been a binary note, and I would have kept it for sure. And then had this note been in different order, if those 2 5s in the middle would have been at the end, I would have kept it because it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. And man, it'd be hard to turn down a ladder note of a different kind. Still collectible, but in that format, it is not. So I'll send those 2 back. We'll keep the 93. I'll keep the 2 star notes. Doing well after 6 straps. Come on, strap number 7. Keep us doing well. Strap number 7 was a fun strap because you guys probably saw it when I first laid the strap down. Had almost a nice radar. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 3, 0, 1. Needed that last 0 to be a 2. And it would have been 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 3, 2, 1. Kind of cool. Not a keeper. And then something I don't see too often. Just got through saying I didn't see a lot of 93 notes, and take a look at this. It's not only a 1995, it's a star note. And you know I was praying for a web note as well, but it's not. It's a regular note, but either way, I don't know when the last time I saw a pre-2000s star note in circulation. I don't know how this has evaded all the coin and bill collectors in my area, but it has. It's not in the best shape. Still a fun find. I will take it. 8 star notes, 7 straps down. Come on, strap number 8. Strap number 8 gave us 1 star note to give us 9 now for the hunt. Nothing else fancy, no other close calls in that strap, but we still have 2 straps left. Come on, strap number 9. Strap number 9 gave us our 10th star note, so anything out of strap number 10 will be a bonus. We'll take it, and remember, I'll be looking at the star notes here in a moment after that last strap to see if we have any rare ones. Another 1995 note. Don't see too many of these in my hunts, but lately we've been seeing them a lot more often, and especially from this bank that's been pretty good at yielding star notes and older notes. We'll take it. Our 3rd 95 bill of the hunt, other than the 4th one being that star note. All right, 9 straps down, 1 strap left. What's inside of it? Well, strap number 10 gave us our 11th star note, another 2013 L series this time. And then I figured I'd talk about it just because I don't talk about them too often. You're looking for bills that have all 6s and 9s. They'd be a binary anyway, but they're also known as flipper notes. Had this bill started either 999 or 669, a flipper note means you could basically take the bill and read it upside down as 6s and 9s, and then you flip it and it's 6s and 9s. Just a close call. We needed those 2 5s to be 6s or 9s. They weren't. Just figured I'd add that in as a little bonus info since it's not on my mat. They just recently started getting more collectible, and I've never really talked about them too often. Either way, that concludes the 10 strap hunt. Now we got to plug in all these star notes to see if we have any rare ones. And just in recap, I'll come back and do that. But we had a couple of cool keeper notes. We had a bunch of older bills here from 93, 3 from 95, and 1 from 99. I'm just going to set those aside. No other value on these except for the right collector who likes to collect older bills. I don't. All right, let me plug in the star notes. I'll be back with some information about if any were rare and some final thoughts on this 1,000 bill hunt. Well, unfortunately, after plugging all 11 star notes into the star note lookup site, none of these are rare. They're all in the 3 to 5 to 10 to 20 million total printed, or over 3.2 million in the print run size. So nothing more valuable than the common star notes that they are. Typically, common star notes in circulated condition fetch about $2 to $3 a piece for the $1 ones. Obviously, if they were high paper quality, uncirculated, crisp, they might fetch a few bucks more, or if they were more rare. These are not. I'll just add them to my stack of less rare star notes. And I think now I have 40 in total, so starting to move up a lot in star notes. That being said, that was one of the more fun 10-strap bill hunts I've done in a while. Sure, nothing super fancy, but it kept us busy. There were a lot of close calls. There were some older bills that we don't normally see, like the 1993, and we even got a 95 star note that I rarely ever see anymore. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that 10-strap bill hunt. I know I did. Got some more goodies for the collection and had fun doing so. If you did, I certainly would appreciate that thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.